So we need 9.
We've been learning about mutations. We've been learning about mutations. And so now we're going to keep learning about mutations. We're going to do a little test, a little game test, to see if we're ready for our test, for our final. So I did bingo. I made bingo. I made it a little bit differently. It's kind of like Jeopardy almost. I'm gonna state out a little sentence, and then you guys are gonna have to figure out what the answer is on your bingo cards. I'm not gonna like say, on your card there's words like gene and harmful. I'm not just gonna say gene, and so you put the little spot on, okay? All right, because you guys are 8th graders. You guys know, all right. So we're making educational games. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to toss these around here. I'm over around a little bit. Toss these around, and I'm going to pick up one. And if you know it, don't just call it out, because everybody needs to learn to think for themselves, okay? I'm gonna pick one, I'm reading one. Okay. Basic unit of heredity. Basic unit of heredity. Does everybody have it?
I have a question.
What's your question?
This doesn't have, is it possible to get 5 in a row? Is it 3 in a row?
So yeah, it would be 3 in a row, or 3 diagonal, or 3 across. Yeah. What is a basic unit of heredity? So we played the Cahoots game, we just did that, and that was one of the choices. So I know everybody will have this on their card somewhere, because I created the cards, so let's see, I'll set the one over the side. Are we ready for second one? Yeah. Genetic mutation that increases an organism's ability to survive. So it's a genetic mutation that increases an organism's ability to survive. What would that be? If it increased your ability to survive. Read the words that are on there. We all know what all the words are. These are words that you should be familiar with. We've been discussing them. Yes? You need help? Okay. What do you need help with? Do you need me to read one of the words to you?
Yeah.
Which word?
No, I mean, which one,
You're just gonna have to take a guess. If we don't know, you're gonna have to take a guess. Because when the test comes,
could you repeat that?
I can, absolutely. I can. I'll repeat it. Genetic mutation that increases an organism's ability to survive. All right. I'm going to move on. Okay. Variations in eye color, hair color, attached or detached earlobes. What would that be? This one might be a little bit tricky. We haven't discussed it too much. So like some people's earlobes go straight to their head, and some people have like little loop and then they have an earlobe. I have a detached earlobe. So variations in that. We talked about how that we're all a little bit different. We all have different hair color and eye color. So is that gonna, what one of these words would that best describe? And then, genetic mutations that cause these traits that an organism may have. Wow. Genetic mutations cause these traits in an organism. Genetic mutations cause these. Another word for it was diversity. When I wrote it this morning, it made more sense. I think I was half asleep. Now that I'm reading it again, I'm like, oh, there's a lot of extra words there. Okay, are we ready for me to move on? Nobody has bingo yet?
Oh, bingo.
You have bingo?
Yeah, I didn't realize until now.
Okay, what words do you have?
Variation, sequence, and chromosomes.
So variation is one. And sequence and chromosome are not.
Did they take it off? Or?
Yeah, sequence and chromosome are not, but variation is one of them. Okay. Do you have it? Okay, so what are your words?
Sequence, variation, gene.
Okay, so variation is one of the words, and gene is one of the words, but sequence is not. Okay. All right, somebody's gonna get bingo. I'll give chips for bingos, because this is really hard. I made a pretty hard game on accident. The mutation where your hands were taped into a fist. Remember how we played that game and we taped your hands in a fist? What was that mutation? What of the words on here would describe that mutation?
Bingo.
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 Oh, so what was that? What was that mutation?
It was harmful.
It was harmful. All right, and so what were your, who else had, what, Catherine had bingo?
Yeah.
Okay, so what were your,
Mutation, harmful, and variation.
I have variation and harmful, and I don't have mutation.
Gene mutation.
Gene, I don't have mutation. I know. Yes.
I have two.
Okay, what do you have? Oh, you have,
Mutation, variation, and harmful.
okay, mutation isn't one of the words.
Oh wait, I have another one too. Gene, proteins, and harmful.
Gene, proteins, and harmful? Proteins wasn't one of the words yet either. Okay, what do you have?
Harmful chromosome
And chromosome was not yet one of the words. Who has it? You guys have it? What do you have?
Gene, protein, and variation.
Gene, protein, and protein isn't one of the words yet. Tommy, you have it?
No.
Okay, I'll keep pulling words. I only have 4 more. Organized pieces of DNA.
Bingo.
What's his name?
Okay, now what do we got?
Oh, shoot.
So tell me yours, Ryan.
Harmful, chromosome, and gene.
Harmful chromosome and gene, yes. Okay, who else has it?
I did have it.
Devin.
Beneficial chromosome and gene.
Beneficial chromosome and gene, yes. And
Gene, chromosome and beneficial.
gene, chromosome, and beneficial, perfect. And Charlie.
Harmful chromosome, gene.
Harmful chromosome and gene, yes. And
I got the same thing.
harmful chromosome and gene. Anyone else got it?
I had
Tommy?
harmful chromosome.
You do? Awesome! Yay! Okay. So we have a little bit of experience with these. Everybody that won, I will be walking around and getting you some treats, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a little break, and then we're gonna get ready for our pretest.
Oh man.
Okay? All right.
Free.
So we can take a little 3-minute break. What I did is I got some puzzles. So where I was thinking that it's really windy outside, and I was thinking that maybe we could get together in groups and do puzzles, and if you can get your puzzle put together within the 3-minute break, then you can have a longer break at the end. You can earn a break.
What? Okay.
Does that make sense?
I'm down.
Does everyone understand that?
I think
I got 5 puzzles and I got the table, or we can move the table to the back of the room, or it can, yeah. Or we can even just do them here. So there's 5 puzzles, you can get together with your friends, put together a puzzle. If your puzzle's done within the next 3 minutes, then you can have a longer break at the end okay?
Alright.
All right.
Red means go.
Ready, set, go.